Welcome to Premier Mobility Cars. Here we have a 2015 on a 65 reg, wheelchair adapted VW Caddy Maxi with an automotive conversion and just under 10,000 miles of the vehicle. As you will see from this short video, the car's in grade A condition, as is with all of our cars, and if you haven't already noticed, I'm sure you have, it's in a very, very unusual, lovely orange metallic paint. So if you're looking for something a little bit unusual, and this car may be for you. We've got other WAVs in stock as well, so if this is not your colour, we've got various array of colours in the wheelchair adapted VW Caddy Maxi, autos and manuals. Look on our website www.premiermobilitycars.co.uk, see if anything takes your fancy. It's a 5-seat conversion plus wheelchair with the options of 7 seats if required. Obviously you wouldn't be able to use the wheelchair because the space will be taken up. With the 65 reg, it comes with Isofix on the rear seats. Doesn't come as standard with any vehicle prior to 2015, so if you are looking for Isofix, you will need to go that little bit newer on the vehicle. This one's also got the 400 kilogram maximum weight heavy duty aluminium ramp for the larger scooter and wheelchair, with a 33.5 maximum width on the floor as well, so there's plenty of width there for even the largest of wheelchairs or scooters. So just under 10,000 miles, direct from Motability, so we guarantee the mileage along with the full main dealer service history. If you're looking for finance, we can do that through Motor Novo. Whether you're a taxi driver or a private disabled person, this vehicle will be suited for you, and care homes alike. We're supplied to countries all over the UK and also to Cyprus and Ireland, where customers come from. If you're looking to part exchange a vehicle, it doesn't have to be wheelchair access. We do take any vehicle in part exchange. We'll always give you the best price, as we won't retail your vehicle, so we're not looking for a profit on yours. We're only interested in selling you our vehicles, so we'll maximise the costing of yours. So if you want to look on our website, it's www.premiermobilitycars.co.uk. Taxi drivers can go straight onto the taxi stock where this vehicle and all the others will be, which is premiertaxisales.com. Also give us a call on 01634 716 911, or if you want to pop along and see us in person, you can do so at Cooling Road Service Station, ME2 4RL. Thanks for watching, and we hope to see you